Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting fingerprint enrollment now. Don't waste time on obvious setup. First, confirm your iPad supports Touch ID and is updated, then open Settings, tap Touch ID and passcode and enter your passcode. Once done, tap Add a Fingerprint and rest the center of your finger on the Home button gently, lift and reposition as prompted to capture edges. Use steady pressure. Too light or too hard will fail, so you get a complete sensor read for reliable unlocking. Continue by following the on-screen prompts and watch the progress ring. This indicates how much of the sensor map is captured. You'll need to lift and rest your finger repeatedly. Change the angle slightly each time to include edges and sides, because sensors need varied contact to recognize partial touches. Make slow, deliberate placements. Hurried taps create gaps. Once the ring approaches completion, the system has built a robust fingerprint profile, which reduces false negatives when you unlock quickly. Finish by naming the fingerprint and enabling fingerprints for functions like Apple Pay or device unlocking. Then lock the iPad and test a few quick unlocks to confirm success. If the scanner rejects your finger often, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll with a dry, clean finger, adjusting placement to include more edges. If problems persist, make sure any case isn't covering the sensor, update iPad OS, or enroll a different finger. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.